Cheers.
Go on, down that.
I can't down that. I ain't got the power like you will.
In 1968, a very much more powerful version of the Rolls-Royce Pegasus. This particular aircraft powered by the Pegasus 106, the latest development in the engine. And the Pegasus is the key to the Harrier's success, because instead of the jet exhaust coming out the back of the aircraft like a standard jet, it actually comes out of 4 nozzles still on either side of the fuselage. And those nozzles can be rotated to point slightly forward, so the Harrier can actually move back nozzles, and the pilot can swivel them to give it vertical flight, or indeed normal wingborne flight. Peak side now slowing the Harrier down to show you some of that vertical flight capability.
That's what everyone's done.
This particular aircraft, of course, the latest version of the Harrier, the GR9A, from the shoulders.
Go on, down that, Nige.
It must be incredibly dangerous, because they then free themselves from their harness and climb back down into the cockpit, don't they?
Well, absolutely right.
Go on, Nige, keep on going.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is doing a very close X-cross there at the southern end of the display line. You'll be seeing that at the end of their display. The girls actually, they're in the swivelling rig, so they can do what they call their acrobatics with aerobatics.
Hey.
Stand on their heads, do all the waving, all the
Oh my god.
That's well better.
Well, you, but what the fuck is...
Who are you? It's over there.
Get it off me, will you? You cunt!
Get me all back.
Oh, so you've got a line there where you've around or something.
No.
Honestly, it's really bad.
Is it?
It's really bad. It's literally, it's like quite bad. It's white as fur.
What, my eyes?
No, it's in there. I'll show you if you can see.
Big hello to Tracy Woodson and team from the Imperial War Museum. They're here with us this time. Actually, just to the
Ben, is it all away?
You may remember some years ago we had an HQ-16 Albatross. We're sending, for the first time in a long time, we're sending our people out in an aeroplane that almost guarantees.
Go on, Nige, turn that paint, man. No, turn that paint.
Yeah, so I'm delighted to see.
I've never seen you doing that paint.
I can't do it, that's why I haven't seen you do
for
it.
about 20 years.
Can't do it,
mate. A lot of rubbish written about it. Just people whinging about it more than anything else, to be honest. And
That's broke, Nige.
we have a bit of a communication problem. It may be the fact that there's a building between me and the aircraft at the moment.
No, Nige is in the road. That's not the problem with the fat bastard. Nige.
It's alright, well, look. Well, right, you think you're fucking hardcore?
I am hardcore.
You think you're fucking hardcore?
Yes.
You're gonna get on a spinning rally ride, you're gonna die.
That doesn't make you hardcore. Hardcore standing up for yourself and taking people around.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, we've cleared the communication. So
I'm not going to pour
what's it looking
beer
like
over your
on
head
the
again, I've
aircraft?
already done that. You soak me. Just you wait and see what happens next. Just you wait and see.
Nige, bring it on, mate.
I'll bring it on.
mate.
We're at war, mate. We're at fucking war.
Mate, all I can say, Nige, all I can say is revenge is a dish best served cold.
Yep.
Well,
I will
thanks
have
very
you
much,
for
guys.
anything.
We'll come back to you in just a moment
What did
when
you-
you're ready for your run.
What age are you?
25.
But I've got 15 years experience in you.
Yeah. But we're at war, mate. Nigel Land and Will Land are at war.
No, mate, we'll never be at war. Never.
No, we're at friendly conflict.
Yes.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, there are 5 parachutists dropping for us today.
This bloke is a
The
motherfucker.
team leader,
My
of
hands are
course,
sticking to my arm.
the chap I was just talking to, and the jump master is
Film
Corporal
Ben.
Dave Clark.
Film Ben.
That's why I said they really should call this the Dave Clark 5, since there are 5 of them. Now, he's going to be coming
Here we
down
are,
in a stack
live
with
in
the
Lowestoft.
2 other of the parachutists.
Yeah.
The first 3 parachutists out are actually going to form a stack. So Dave Clark's coming down with Corporal Lee Andrews and with Private Danny Danskin.
I should just go
And
up.
making 2 solo drops,
fucking spit that
carrying
over me.
various flags,
What?
are going to
You
be
spit it all over me.
What problem?
Private Pete Brown.
Got a name. Ready? I'm ready.
Sorry.
That's like you're-
Come
Come on, mate.
This is like Jackass or something, isn't it?
Come on, mate.
You ready?
Ready? Get the side on profile view.
You got slow-mo? You got slow-mo?
I saw down later on.
You ready?
Okay. Is that it?
My knuckles are gone red.
Well, you broke my hand, man.
I haven't broken.
Ow!
I actually broke both knuckles, didn't I? Before.
Fucking hell. How hard are you?
I'm not hard, man. It's just. If you just attend your signals, it's not a problem.
W. Jones, the Irish man motherfucker.
Well,
He's reading it. Well, Ben.
He's Irish, isn't he?
Yeah. He's not drinking Guinness though.
Guinness is rank in England, that's why.
He's trying to open the bin the wrong way.
Yeah, it's an Irish thing. Look at it.
Ben, well, it's KT.
I'm not. What time do you stay up for about 2 o'clock? I need chips.
I think there's chips over there, you know.
That's where my camera.
Put it away, Will.
Nigel Hospice himself.
You're disgusting.
Either way.
Ken isn't answering. Right, guys, everyone come round.
Hold on.
Stay with.
Right, hold on. Back.
Why don't you just zoom out?
I'm at minimum soon.
Where are you, boring motherfucker? Get your ass down here now. Down the beach.
Beach!
Oh yeah, Lowestoft.
Beach!
Lowestoft. Get your ass down here.
Beach!
We're some riot action. You been
Riding.
riding? Not on. KT's got something to say to you.
Boring. No!
Oh yeah. You've got some panani tonight, mate. 19 years old. Seriously tight pussy. Primed. Shaven. And ready.
Go on. Give him a hug. Or give Gary a hug. Give Gary. Hey. My buddy's about to run out.
Really? Not good, Will.
Yeah, no problem. It's all right.
For breakfast and then chill for dessert. Somebody order pancakes, I just dip the scissor. That right there could drive a same man dessert. Not to worry, Mr. Ace to the end goes back to wizard. You can show my mom, give a light support. Telling her son's on life support. And just imagine how my girl feel. All the planes get his hell that I got. Look like they move.